Well, you try something long enough, you come to realize that not all days present the same opportunities. Hello everyone, my name is Bruce Bradbury and welcome to the daily trading recap where I'm going to go over the exact trades that I took today. Now, today was a mixed day and the market really didn't have a lot of volatility either way. But still, we made two trades and we profited $175. I want to introduce myself to the new subscribers out there. My name is Bruce and I'm making day trading, finance videos, content. I believe that we all have the power within us to become financially free and successful beyond our wildest dreams. So I'm making these videos in order for us to learn together about these things. I started day trading about 9 months ago and I'm sharing everything that I learn every single day. So right now we're doing a paper trading account where we're trading on the market, and I'll just show you what I mean about the day today. Not a lot of volatility. So we can see on Thursday, we have quite a bit of volatility. If we take the trend line here, you know, from top to bottom, we had 2.3% difference on the NASDAQ. From top to bottom on Friday, from bottom to top, I mean, we had, 1% difference on the NASDAQ. However, today has really been coming to feel like a dud. And visually, you can just see. Okay, so let's do a little charting here as well. From top to bottom where we are now, only 0.5%. So not a lot at all of price movement for us. And, once again, we're trading with SQQQ and TQQQ, which are triple leveraged on the NASDAQ. It offers up a little bit of a levered return on whatever trades we're making. However, still not a lot of volume, and you can see the market is the market has been very scrambled today. So I'll take you here to our TradeZella, which is where we track our trades. Winning percentage 100%. Average win of only $87.5. So we'll go to the trade log here, and we'll start with SQs. This is the first trade of the day that we took. We waited quite a while just because I wasn't even sure where the market was going, so I didn't take my first trade until 8:15 a.m. Once again, we're on the East Coast here. I'm based in Seattle, so the market opens for me at 6:30 a.m. So, I'm watching the market until 8:15. I didn't feel confident in whatever move. I didn't feel confident at all. So we see here 6:30 rolls around, right? This is where the market opens. The market opens at 6:30 a.m. And let me show you where I got in. So I got in at 500 shares, $16.92. A few minutes later, I bought 1,000 shares at $16.98. This is that concept of scaling up position size as I feel confidence. Now, this is a strategy that I'm trying out, positioning and scaling up my position as I feel confident that the trend is following in the direction that I feel like, it's going. So that's the strategy that I was attempting to do there. I waited a long time. I mean, honestly, this would have been a great place to sell. However, I don't know. It wasn't a lot. It was, a few basis points, like 30, like a third of a percent movement. So I thought, man, no, I want to squeeze more out of this trade. But anyway, I mean, some days just don't present the same opportunities. So I bought another 1,500 shares at $16.95 about an hour later, really, at 8:25, at 9:25. And I ended up selling here my 3,000 shares at $16.99, and I made $105 profit. Now, you see what I mean? I'm waiting an hour and I make $105, but still, pretty good hour. If you consider, you could be doing something else. You could be driving Uber Eats and make $25 in that same hour. We're trading, we made $100, so pretty good hour, I think, all facts considering. So second trade, we took $70 here, and this was directly right after. I mean, we played SQ, now we're playing TQ. We flipped on the reversal. I felt like this was a good place to go. And now, well, this is interesting. I don't have the timing right, actually, we're seeing. Let me see in the trade log. Oh, okay, so I've actually got the time wrong. This will be good in the video to show you just how I'm importing my trades. So TQs I bought at, here's my trades on Webull. Okay, so 1,000 TQs I bought at 9:53 and I sold at 10:09. So we'll just change that around so that we can get an accurate reading of what we were doing this morning. And yeah, there we are. We're good to go. So let's open the chart now. TradeZella is a great platform, by the way. I've been really loving it. Another YouTuber or another guy on YouTube has created TradeZella. He's a day trader as well. And it's a great platform. I mean, you can really analyze the data and the metrics of your trades. So we bought 1,000 shares at 45.09 at 9.53. And then we held for a long time. You know, we just bought the 1,000. We were really dipping. But I don't know. I just kept holding and sold at 45.16. So that's basically it. You know, I made $70 and I stopped trading at that point to make this video. And also because I wasn't confident I knew where things were going, honestly. So only $175 day today. All in all, it was a mixed day. I didn't quite know how to trade the mixed opportunities there because the volatility of the pricing was very, very subtle compared to what I've been used to in the past week trading. Last week you saw visually on the chart the striking difference between the volatility between last week and today. So that was one challenge that I dealt with today. I really attempted though to wait until I had a sign, until I felt confident that, the stock was going one way or the other. Now, that second trade where I scalped $70 basically, that was a bad move. I probably should have just stopped out of that because, as we saw, and let's just go back to the screen too while I'm thinking about it. As you saw, I really let it go down in this huge gully, and that's not a good move because, like, basically, if I'm playing it to go back up, I'm just playing on luck. I'm not playing on the signs, which is a bad move. I should have probably stopped out somewhere around here just because I don't know where it could have ended up. I mean, this was a huge red candle down. As much as it could have gone back up here, it could have continued to sell off, and I would have been in trouble at that point. But I think we made a profitable trade, and yeah, so that's the trading recap for today. Everyone, I appreciate you watching today's video. Like, subscribe, comment below in the channel. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll come out with more videos later today to see how the market is doing and see how it's handling all the news that's coming out. All right, see you soon. Bye.